welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a lock on your pen drive. So guys, when you're going to connect your pen drive, right now you can see I'm only having a one image on my pen drive, and if you want to put a lock, just right click and you can see over here turn on the bit locker. Click on that. It will take little time. You can see the option over here, use a password to unlock this device, and you can create a password. Re-enter your password and click next. You can see the three options: save to your Microsoft, save to a file, and you can see the three options right over here. If you are going to forget your password, you can recover. I will go for file and click save. Next, you can see the two options right over here. You can select whatever you will prefer and click next. You can click next and you can start over here. It will take few seconds and you can see it is over here. One more time, just remove your pen drive and insert again. You can see the pen drive has locked over here. When you are going to click to open, you have to enter your password and you will click unlock. Now you can see the pen drive is unlocked. So how you unlock your pen drive? And if you want to remove, right click and you can see over here manage with locker, and you can see turn off the with locker, turn off. Close this and you can see it's normal to back. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope you like, so leave a like. If you have a question, let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Peace out. See you in the next video.